Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is how to fix this blue screen error recovery. It's looked like Windows did not start correctly. To fix this issue, the first step you can try is simply click on this restart my PC option. This option will reboot your system and hopefully this will fix your issue. If you are still getting the same blue screen error, click on this option, see advanced repair options. Click on troubleshoot. Then click on advanced option, then click on this command prompt. Now select your login username. Now enter your login username password. Then click on continue. Now you have to type few commands to repair your Windows corrupted files. So the first command is sfc/scan now. Press enter. And this process will take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Verification process completed. Now type the next command, chkdsk /f/r/c:. So this command will repair error on your hard disk. Press enter. It's done. Now type exit. Press enter. Now click on continue. So as you can see, the error has been resolved.